rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. But I love that old cross where the dearest and best for a world of lost sinners was slain. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. To the old rugged cross I will ever be true. Its shame and reproach gladly fade. Then he'll call me someday to my home far away, where glory forever I'll share. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to